Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so sorry I've been away for so long. I'm gonna have another video explaining where I've been, what I've been up to, but I thought I'll hit you guys with a makeup tutorial, as you guys always ask me to do a full makeup tutorial from start to finish. So that's what I'm doing here for you guys. I hope you enjoy. So I'm starting off with a moisturiser. This one is actually by Glam Glow. I'm gonna leave all the information to all the products I use in the description box in detail. So yeah, I'm gonna moisturize my face, and then I'm gonna prime my face with my MAC primer. You guys know I love this primer. This is, oh, I didn't show it on camera, but it's the MAC Natural Radiance Primer. Then I'm gonna go in with the new Urban Decay foundation and concealers. I actually really love these this foundation. It's really good. I didn't expect it to be like as good as it is. It's very light on the skin, very natural finish, kind of like a semi matte finish, and it feels like really nice and comfortable on the skin. So yeah, so I'm gonna pounce that in with my beauty blender, and then I'm gonna go in with the concealer. I think I got the concealer in 70, no, I can't remember, let me not mess it up. I'm gonna leave it in description box, the shade of the concealer that I got, but I'm gonna go in with like a more of like a natural shade first, and then I'm gonna put a brighter shade over the top of it as well. So yeah, this is gonna be a hot girl summer makeup look because I is hot. I'm gonna do another makeup tutorial, but it's gonna be a chit chat, get ready with me, with blonde hair, because I recently went blonde. So I think that'll be interesting to see how my face looks with like really glam makeup and blonde hair. So if you want to see that, then stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna blend that concealer in, and as you guys can see, it literally melts into my skin. I absolutely love it. It's such a like lovely finish. So pounce into my skin. So yeah, it's really natural. If you want to go for the no makeup look, this concealer is really good for that. So to contour, I'm using the darker shade. It's not as dark as I would normally contour, so I did go ahead and add a little bit of a darker contour color off camera. But yeah, if you want like a natural contour, then this concealer is good. If you want more of like a, you know, I'm contoured, then I would go in with a darker one as well, which I did off camera. But I'm just gonna put it on my cheekbones, my chin. This is like a new thing I've been trying. It just makes your face look a little bit smaller. My forehead, and sometimes I put it on my jawline, not all the time, but yeah. I'm gonna take the same concealer I used to brighten my under eye. I'm gonna clean up my eyebrows. I'm sorry I didn't show this on camera. Sometimes like my makeup takes literally like over an hour to do, so to condense it all and fit everything on camera is near enough impossible. So I'm sorry that I skipped some bits, but it has to be done because otherwise you guys would be bored. Simple as that. But I baked with the Mercier powder, and I set my contour with the Benefit bronzer, and now I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows with the same concealer I use under my eyes, and I'm gonna pat that in and start with the eyeshadow. Okay, so now that's all patted in, my eyebrows look, you know, kind of even. They're not always even, but I like them. I like the left one more than I like the right one, but hey. I'm going to use a Naked Reloader palette. I believe this was the only palette that I used throughout this whole tutorial. I'm going to take like a soft brown and put it in my crease. And I'm like taking the crease color like really close to my nose. I learned this from Mahina, but it basically like helps contour your nose at the same time. So I'm just going to blend that into my crease, and I'm going to take a darker color, and then I'm going to blend that like into like the inner V area, like deeper into my crease, and do the same thing, kind of put it close to my nose. And then I'm going to take the NYX glitter glue. This is really good for shimmers. If you're wearing any like kind of shimmery eyeshadows, it helps it like stand out and stick really well. So I'm going to pat that all over my eyelid, and then I'm going to take I can't remember what color it is, but like a gold in the palette, and pat that over the top before it gets dry, over the top of the NYX glitter glue, and it just kind of gives it more of like a vibrant look. This camera doesn't really like pick up like the like proper like how it looked in person, because it kind of like dulls it out, but just so you guys have an idea, this is what my eyeshadow looked like. I went over the top of that with the Uma Beauty eyeliner. It's just a really simple liquid liner, which is really easy to come off, because you know sometimes when you're trying to take gel liner off at nighttime it's so long. So I just wanted a really simple eyeliner, nothing too heavy, and it's really black, so yeah. But I actually don't want it to be too black. I want it to be kind of like a little bit brown, kind of like muted. So I'm gonna go over the top of it with the brown eyeshadow I used in my crease and just kind of like blend that out. Then I'm going to take my lashes from Honey Mink. I'm going to leave all the info for that in the description box, and I'm going to pop that on top of my eyelid. Top of my eyelid? Yeah. I'm going to pop that on. I love these lashes. They're so dramatic but so like fluffy at the same time. So pretty. So I'm going to put that on. And you know, it's all coming together now. We're all looking, you know, sweet. So I'm going to smoke out my bottom eyelid, like bottom lash line with the brown. And basically I wanted to do this whole thing of like brightening my inner corner, and I was using like an orange color, but then it just looked really weird. So then I changed it to a yellow like later on off camera, because it just looked like, I don't know, it looks really weird. But let me know what you guys think. Then I'm going to dust off all the excess powder with nothing on my brush. And I'm going to go in with my Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and I'm going to contour my nose with a really dense brush. I am going to blend it out with a fluffy brush afterwards, but just to give it like the shape. So yeah, once that's done, I'm going to spray my face, because my face right now is really, really matte. So I'm going to spray my face with the setting spray, just so it gives it more of like a skin-like finish. I don't want it too matte. I really don't like overly matte skin. Then I'm going to take my sleek liner. This is Just Say Nothing, I think it's called. This is a really good dupe for the MAC chestnut liner. If you don't have the MAC chestnut liner, this is like perfect. So, and it's really cheap, so it makes sense. So I'm going to line my lips with that, and then I'm going to go over the top of it with the MAC Peachstock lipstick. And then I'm going to put, I actually can't remember what I put, so let me see. Oh yeah, I put the Shop Chem's Beauty lip gloss over the top of that. Kind of like to blend both colors in together, and I really like how it looks. So yeah. Okay, so it's time to highlight, my favorite part. I'm using the Makeup Isles highlighter, which is really, really bright, like really bright. I'm going to leave all the info for that down below as well. I'm going to put that on with a fan brush and then blend it out with my Morphe brush, and I put it on my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my nose, on the bridge of my nose, and just like a smidget on my chin. I've been starting to do that, like a smidget, like the tiniest bit, just to make my face glow, because you know we all want that hot girl summer glow. We don't want to look dull out here. So yeah. Then I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty it's the body glow thing, body lava, that's what it's called, the body lava. I'm gonna put it on my body. I really like this, like I love the consistency, I love how it makes my skin look, but I feel like it's a little bit sticky. I don't know, and I love the smell as well, but it is a little bit sticky. Let me know if you guys experience the same thing with the stickiness. But yeah, apart from that, it's amazing. Like it makes your skin look like gold. Like it looks so good on, and it looks so good at nighttime with like the sun, not the sun, with the light glistening against your skin. But yeah guys, this is pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys would like more makeup tutorials start to finish, because you guys always come at me about makeup tutorials. This is just to show you that the makeup doesn't smudge. But yeah, you guys always tell me like, oh please make tutorials from start to finish, so I really considered it this time. Please let me know what you want to see from me. There's so many more new people here that I don't know what anyone wants to see. You guys come from the bad makeup tutorials, so I don't know what you want to see. But I want to know if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.